Alright, so we got the ride height adjusted. So it's just perfect. Guys, so let me show you what I'll be working with. So this is the lowering bolt right here. So I'm attempt to push the spring leaf up a little bit so I can loosen this, so I can raise the rear end of the car up. And like you guys can see how much it's traveling right here. So during the track days, this thing go in and out quite a bit. So next upgrade, we're gonna do sway bars. That should actually hold the car pretty tight in there. So let me go ahead and lower the car down so I can adjust this. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I put a brick, and as I lift, this will separate spring leaf a little bit so we can adjust it. So now we'll use this 10mm and go to town. Should be pretty easy. So we're gonna raise the car up. So let's find a different range. Alright, so we'll put this guy on here and let's go see what we can do. So we'll go ahead and raise this until we're flat even with the spring leaf. Okay, so we're about just even with the range. So approximately that's how much we're gonna raise the car, about a ½ inch. So we'll do all around. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We are going to measure. Should be about even. So we'll do the same thing with the other side. So the reason we're raising the car up, it's too low, and during the track, we had a lot of issues rubbing and car not being planted. So it was too loose. and we're about to fix that problem. Let me hop up to the front and go from there. To the front. Let's find out what this tire guy is. Okay, so in the front it's right here. That's what it is, and it's slammed. So what we need to do is we need to lift up right here and get that thing up in the air and move it out of the way. Yeah, this one is going to be a little bit tough. So just pull a little tension off. So this thing comes right up. Okay. So let's measure this guy. So I don't have anything to measure this with, but I'll use some of this plastic and kind of put it like right next to it. So if you do this, so it should be flat with the top right here. So we can do the same thing to our next one on the other side. So guys, so let's get the back one. It would be working really good in this thing, but I don't have one on me right now, so I'm using whatever I can get my hands on. Alright, so we got the ride height adjusted. So it's just perfect. Yeah, let's see how high we are for this thing. Check the height to the center of your cap at 27. In the back. Check the front. We are from the bottom up, yeah, at 26 and a half. Exactly 26 and a half, a little more to the side. Okay. 26. Exactly the same. Now let's check the back. At 27. So we got an even ride height on the car. Okay, so I want to thank you guys for watching the video. So this is how you raise your car. I do have lowering bolts, but I took the car on the track a few weeks back and I was having issues rubbing my front inner fenders in the back as well. So now we adjusted a little bit, raised it up, so hopefully this is gonna fix that problem, and I think it should, because we got a 26.5 inches in the front and 27 in the back, so that would give us enough ride height kind of to do some cornering and without hitting this. But I'm also going to be working on installing some sway bar links, and I think that's going to stiffen it a little bit more, and after that we should be perfect. So thank you for watching the video, guys. I really do appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, like button, share the videos with your friends, let them know, come on, let's build this fan base. Thank you, guys, and I will see you next time.